So some folks watching this video might be confused because they have a home or portable sewing machine, in which case there is no oil because you have plastic parts inside. Some of our customers, new to industrial sewing, will sometimes ask how to oil their industrial sewing machine. This video is for those of you oiling your industrial sewing machine for the first or second time. We will show you how to properly oil the different types, but first, let's identify these different types of machines. Tilt the head back on your machine. The head on this machine does not move, as on most spot oilers. You'll notice these multiple holes on the face of the machine. These are our oil spots. Let's identify the other two types. As we tilt the head back, we are either going to find an oil bath or an internal oil tank. The main difference being that an internal oil tank is a closed-loop system. So here we have an internal oiling system. We'll show you how to oil this shortly. So finally, let's take a look at the oil bath type. With this oil bath, it has a large space where you pour the oil into. If your machine has an oil bath, it will be apparent by the high and low lines that indicate where your oil levels should be in this large steel area. To properly oil your oil bath type machine, go ahead and pour oil up to the fill line, and then run the machine motor to get the oil pumping throughout the head. To properly oil your internal oiling system, fill it once and you're good to go. Just make sure to keep an eye on the levels and make sure there are no leaks. But be careful not to put too much oil into the internal compartment, or you will be in trouble with a leak later on. And this could result in oil seepage into the electronics, otherwise known as a big fat headache. So let's just place a few drops in. Lastly, let's oil our spot oiling system. Spot type oiling is usually reserved for specialty industrial sewing machines. An example would be a cylinder arm or just older walking foot machines. A lot of the old Singer machines were spot type. The old spot types had no oil pump system and had to be oiled daily. Fortunately for our industry, that all changed around the 80s and 90s. Now all we have to do is oil the machine in the appropriate spots periodically depending on use. For the past 50 years, CUTSEW has been stressing proper care of your industrial sewing machine, and of course this all starts with oiling your industrial sewer. Check out our other videos for more information on industrial sewing machines, or visit us on the web at cutsew.com.